Hi, bud.
Christopher. Here's a video. Come here. Stand up. Okay, you stand right there. And right there. Here we go. Come on. Come on.
Yay!
Over here.
Christopher,
Come on. Show everybody your skills.
come here.
Ba-doom.
Whoa!
Wow. You're doing great. Christopher.
Come here. Where do you want the camera? Don't get too excited. Slow down.
Here we go. Oh. Come on.
Daddy, my pants are a little long.
Where'd you go? There you are.
Come here. Can you come forward? Yay!
Such good skills.
Yay! Good job.